Okay, so you're out on your gold DofE and we've given you some new pieces of equipment. When you're doing your gold DofE, we look to offer you lightweight equipment, which includes a new cooker. For bronze and silver, you'll have probably used the Trangia, but this is the Jetboil Stash. The Jetboil Stash is really small and compact and is really good for using with lightweight meals, such as dehydrated meals, freeze-dried, and you're boiling the bags. Everything that you need comes directly in here, with the exception of the gas. For gold, we can offer you a smaller gas cylinder that also fits inside. In order to open, you squeeze the handle together and you open it up. Inside comes a stabilizer. This stabilizer is designed to open into a tripod and go onto your gas cylinder. This allows you to balance it better when you're outdoors. You also have the Stash burner, which looks like this. The little bag, when not in use, should go in a pocket or somewhere else useful so you don't lose it. The burner has a plus-minus key that folds underneath and needs to be opened up before you add it to the cooker, and the top needs to be open. This works just like the Trangia to add on. You spin the cylinder once it grips. So you spin the cylinder or the burner until it's tight on. Make sure it's already on as low as it can go on the minus key before this starts. Next, we're going to go fetch some water, and then I'll show you how to light the burner and how to cook. Okay, so you've got some fresh water, either from a stream because you're looking to boil it for drinking water, or you've gotten it from the campsite. This system sits on top to boil your water. To light it, we're best coming in from underneath, as the flame will go up. Take your matches or a lighter, turn the gas on, light, and then place the match underneath. Often you won't see the flame at all, so wave your hand over the top to check, and then just turn this to full. Place the cooker on top, then the lid, and at full blast this should take about a minute to start to boil. Whilst using freeze-dried meals, you should be able to cook 2 to 3 meals at a time with one of these cookers. They're much more compact and they're much lighter than your standard Trangia. Once you've decided you've got the water that you need, you're going to turn the gas off and remove the burner. This gets cool quite quickly because it's made of titanium, but be sure not to burn yourself. Excess water can be kept as drinking water whilst out in the mountains. When placing these back away, it can stay hot for a little bit longer, so make sure you loosen it at the bottom check these parts aren't too hot before closing it up and flapping the burner underneath. The bag that we kept from earlier will house this cooker top. We're going to remove the tripod from the bottom, which can be a little bit stiff. Close that off and put it inside. Lid back on, and you should be able to boil water around 1 litre in around a minute to 2 when using this system.